We've been using the ThermoPro digital hygrometer for 2 years now, and it's definitely become an essential tool for monitoring the temperature and humidity in our home. The hygrometer is packed with features that makes it stand out. It has a Bluetooth range of up to 260 feet, meaning you can monitor your indoor climate from almost anywhere in your home. The app is incredibly useful, giving you a clear overview of all sensors, and you'll even get alerts if the temperature or humidity goes out of the set range. The accuracy is spot on, plus the device is easy to use, and the face icon, comfort indicator, helps you know when it's time to adjust. After 2 years of use, I can confidently say this is one of the best investments for maintaining a comfortable environment at home.